Chaindesk is one of my favorite generative AI companies out there. Chaindesk has built a lot of cool tools and I have done few videos around them on my channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to yet another very cool tool from Chaindesk. Before I do that, if you're not aware of what Chaindesk is, Chaindesk AI, which was formerly known as DataBerry, is a no-code platform that allows anyone to create customized AI chatbots in seconds. The chatbots are powered by LLMs like ChatGPT and are trained on your own custom data and documents to provide intelligent and personalized responses. With Chaindesk AI, you can streamline customer support, onboard new employees, build chatbots for your business use cases, and you can do much more. Over 3,500 companies have already used Chaindesk AI to successfully build AI chatbots tailored to their needs, and it is growing pretty rapidly. One of the great things about this Chaindesk AI platform is that it is very easy to use. You don't have to be a machine learning or AI enthusiast in order to use Chaindesk tooling. Even if you're a non-technical user, still you can use Chaindesk. All you need to do is to simply upload your documents, data, or website URL to the Chaindesk AI dashboard, and the platform will instantly scan and index your content so that AI chatbot can be trained on it. You can then customize your chatbots by giving it a name, personality traits, and defining how you want it to respond. Anyway, I won't go into more detail about the chatbots because I have a separate video on it. But in this video, I'm going to show you another tool from Chaindesk AI, which is AI YouTube Summarizer. This tool is not only very easy to use, it is also free. Yep, you don't have to sign up, you don't have to sign in, you don't have to pay anything. All you need to do is to access it through your browser and start using it. What it does is you provide it a YouTube URL and it summarizes that whole video for you. For example, if you have a long video and you don't have time watch all of it, you can simply give the URL and this great tool is going to summarize it. Let me go to my channel and let me pick up this Amazon Bedrock complete course. I'm just copying its link. This video is just under 20 minutes and let me summarize it by pasting URL here and then click on summarize. It is very fast. You can see it's already done. There you go. Within under 5 seconds, it has summarized the video. Let's see if it has summarized it correctly or not. Title is fine. Summary, let me quickly read it. So, yep, it is describing Amazon Bedrock and all the salient features of it, which I described in the start of my course. And then it has divided this video into chapters, and then for each chapter, it has given us the synopsis or the summary of it, which is if I quickly go through it, I can verify that all of this information is correct. Now, if you click on any of this chapter here, let's see, then on the bottom, it just displays that chunk of video. You can see that it starts from second minute. If I click here, it reloads it, and this is from the 10th minute, and so on and so forth. So, for example, if you are looking for a specific information in detail, you can simply scroll through these chapters, click here, and it will take you straight to that part of the video which you can watch. So pretty amazing stuff. Now let me do one more demo. Let me go with a bit of a longish video. So this is yet another video from YouTube. This is from AWS recently concluded conference reInvent, and this is Adam Salepsky, who is the CEO of Amazon, and he is presenting there the keynote, and this keynote is more than 2 hours. I don't want to watch all of it, I don't have time, so I just want the gist of it, the summary. I have grabbed its URL. Let's go back to our summarizer and then go up, and I don't see any option here to put my URL again. So I just would have to press the browser button a couple of times and then let's paste the URL here, click on summarize. Let's see how long this one takes. Still running because it is more than 2 hours. But as per Chaindesk, this doesn't take more than 1 or 2 minutes. So I'm hoping that it would even finish earlier because I have seen that happening with few other videos. So let's wait for it to finish and make sure that you don't close this window. There you go. It's already done under 30 seconds, I would say. And if I scroll down, you can see that it is the summary is amazing, totally spot on. And then all the chapters are defined here one by one. And then if, as usual, if you click on any of the chapter, it is going to load it from that point on. So for example, if you are interested in Bedrock, you will click on Bedrock and it has loaded the video from the 42nd second, and then you can watch it from there. There you go. So it is pretty comprehensive and totally amazing, really. I mean, very impressed by this tool. So let me go back a little. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on it. I'm very stoked by this tool and especially the generosity of having it for free. And I could already see a lot of use cases around it. Now, one thing I tried to find out is any API access to this tool so that maybe I could create any applications around it or maybe integrate it with my existing GenAI application. So I couldn't find any API access to it, but I think maybe in the future they would have something around API call so that we could integrate this within our own tooling. But still a really good tool, and I hope that you also enjoyed it. If you have any comments or thoughts, let me know. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.